Are you looking for a helicopter company for business or pleasure? Look no further. Select Helicopters is an exceptional full-service helicopter company in the Atlanta, Georgia area. Select Helicopters specializes in helicopter tours and rides over Georgia's most iconic landmarks, such as Lake Lanier, Stone Mountain, Atlanta, and flights to and from the W Hotel. We offer VIP chartering, special events and festivals, flight instruction, aerial photography, frost protection, and much more. Select Helicopters operates Robinson R-44 helicopters, one of the most well-known helicopters with safe operating reputations. Our helicopter features leather interior, Bose noise-canceling headsets for everyone, and the open cabin configuration provides unobstructed views from every seat. Our pilots at Select Helicopters are well experienced with thousands of hours of flight time. When it comes to aviation and safety, we want you to think of us, Select Helicopters, where flying becomes a passion.